In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix x.com or Twitter error 34 in a quick and simple way. This error usually means the page, user, or post you're trying to reach does not exist anymore, and that can happen for a few different reasons. The account may have been suspended, deactivated, or the handle may have changed. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. First, make sure you understand what the error is telling you. Error 34 usually means the content is unavailable, not necessarily that your app is broken. So instead of repeatedly refreshing the same link, the better step is to search for the user manually inside X. Open the X search bar and type the person's name, not just the old username or link. This can help you find their updated profile if they change their handle. If the account has been renamed, the search results may show the new account name and let you access the profile from there. If nothing appears in search, then the account may have been suspended or deactivated, which means the page is no longer available on X. In that case, the error is not something you can fix from your side because the content itself is gone. You can also double check the link to make sure there are no typing mistakes, missing characters, or broken characters in the URL. A small mistake in the link can sometimes trigger the same error message. But if the link is correct and the page still shows error 34, then the most likely reason is that the account or post no longer exists. So the main fix is to search manually by name in X and see whether the user has moved to a new handle. That's the quickest way to confirm whether the profile is still active under a different name. If this tutorial helped, give it a like, subscribe for more simple fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.